To Kajidataonline, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review about a new software that I already discovered to replace this software. So as you know, SPSS is one of the licensed software that are widely being used by academia, students, and most of the people around the world. However, because of the affordability and also after you finish your study, you are no longer able to subscribe this licensed software. But this evening, I would like to explain and give you another hope that you can rely on. We call it as Jamovi. So please click in the description below if you want to access to those website. It is free to download for Windows version or Macintosh version. It is very simple and it is very powerful software because it's integrated with the R. If you are familiar with R Studio or R Statistics, then you may find out that this Jamovi software are very quite useful for you. Okay, let us have a look. And this review is focused on um, how you can use the Jamovi as your statistical package in the first place, and then what kind of integrated and also benefits that you will get after using this Jamovi. Okay, let's dive in. All right, so the first of all, this is the menu for the Jamovi. So to download this one, you have to go to the website www.jamovi.org, and then you have to go to the download section here, and then you can download accordingly. This is the current version. It's depend on your operating system, and after you download, then you are able to install it, and automatically the Jamovi will be open, something like this. And the best about Jamovi is it's very friendly, very R friendly, where you can integrate it all the setting. And if you set your Jamovi in the first place, so this power and mat mode will not be available in your menu because this one is the additional plugin. So to get the plugin is actually you go to the Jamovi library. So if you go to the Jamovi library, you can have a lots of available freely download and functional Jamovi installer. Okay, this is the example that already been installed. The purpose is actually to enhance the usage of this software. Alright, so let us dive in into opening this software. If you're familiar with SPSS, as you know, this is the example of SPSS dataset. So you have the variable view and then you got the data view. So based on this data is being saved as the .sav, which is the SPSS file. So in the Jamovi, actually, you can just open the software directly from your computer. So let's say this is the dataset.sav that already been installed before and already been saved there. So this is our data, you see. So the data is already being imported and opened directly from Jamovi. So for your information, the Jamovi can open a few types of data. So this is the list of data that can be imported or can be read by Jamovi. And for your information, another software, another free software that also available for you as the replacement for the SPSS is we call it as the JASP or something like JASP. All right, so JASP is also free, open software. Similarly with Jamovi, but this time I'm going to review the Jamovi first, and then we look through about this software and then how we can go about it. All right. So the first of all, we can go this menu. So we have the exploration menu. We got the t-test that usually being used by researchers, and then we got the ANOVA, analysis of variance, regression, and then the categorical data analysis such as a frequency. And then last but not least, in the normal menu, you will get this reliability analysis, principal component analysis, EFA, and wow, they got also the CFA, confirmatory factor analysis. So without further ado, let us go into the exploration. and then proceed with the descriptive statistics. So if you open up, this kind of view are going to be open automatically, and by dragging or by inserting using this arrow inside the variable box, automatically the Jamovi can calculate this descriptive statistic for you. Wow, it's very powerful and very immediate response. Okay, let us see if you want to analyze something like descriptive statistics for the age. For example, in my data, I have to go to this menu to set it up first. Okay, for example, and then I'm going to click continue and OK, and then I'm just waiting a few seconds before the SPSS come up with this statistical analysis. You see, so actually similar output. However, I think the speed of Jamovi is quite impressive. It depends on your computer RAM, and then you can just tick whatever statistical analysis that you required to be presented in your data set. And in fact, you can also produce the histogram, box plot, bar plot, data in jitter, QQ plot, and so on. So everything is already being embedded inside this software that enable you to um, see the output automatically. And one thing about this Jamovi software that I'm going to review for this particular moment, and for the another analysis and so on, we are going to cover it later on. You can actually copy this output, for instance, and then you can just paste it, and then it will produce very nice data that already being formatted into the APA format, right up for the thesis or for any research papers. So I think that is for now under the exploration. So if you want to see more, we can request for the scatter plot. And as you know, this is scatter plot actually is not available here unless you install inside the Jamovi library. So I think I may stop at here for this moment, and then for those who are interested to learn more and understand more about Jamovi as your statistical package for conducting your experimental study or your observational study, please do consider to subscribe this channel. And then with that, see you again. Bye bye and thank you.